Hey, it's State Park Steve again. Ready to go visit another park? Embrace your nature? Come on, let's go. Okay, today I am at the Lewis and Clark Trail State Park near Dayton, Washington. It's near Walla Walla, way out in the north or southeastern section of Washington, and it's right on the Touchet River, or Touchet, I don't know how you pronounce that. It's got a campground on one side of the road and a big picnic area on the other side of the road. And it's where Lewis and Clark came through on their way home after reaching the ocean. They said they didn't find much to eat here. They found some birds and they found one duck. So they had to feed 31 people that night with one duck. And it's a little tough. But anyway, that's it from Lewis and Clark State Park. Here, I'll show you some other pics.